If you want a better car, better service, and of course a better price, then you'd better go to Berger.
At Berger Chevy, we know you are not just looking out for you. You need a vehicle for your entire family. You will love this white '07 GMC Yukon XL DNLI, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 64,169 miles. Enjoy this family SUV with features like steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, running boards, auto-dimming mirrors, auxiliary transmission oil cooler, trailer wiring, power steering, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this '07 GMC Yukon XL DNLI. See us at Berger Chevy today.
Don't forget, it's always better at Berger. We're conveniently located at 28th Street in Breton, just 1 mile west of Woodland Mall.